Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was up 0.3% today. We, of course, don't have any changes on our signals today. We'll keep putting them out there, and so you can see what's happening. Today was interesting. We started off really strongly, actually, and made back most of what was lost at the very end of yesterday, which wasn't a big surprise to me. But we ended up kind of going back down into the negative territory as news came out about some of the negotiations that might be happening about the debt ceiling. So this is going to be an ongoing conversation, until this thing does get resolved. I suspect that it will be something that gets pushed down the road quite a bit. So something we'll probably talk about again. However, interestingly enough, once it did come down, some buying came in and we ended up in the positive territory for the day. What I have seen in these previous debt ceiling conversations was that they've become a little less severe, only in the sense that if you look back, the first big one back in 2011 was down 17%. And the last one we had was down about 5% during the discussions and the deliberations before it finally passed. And I think people are looking at this as people are looking at this as a buying opportunity. I think we saw some of that possibly today. So we'll see. Nonetheless, kind of a average day altogether. Really, we're heading into earnings season. We did have the first earnings piece that always comes out here, really, that has any real impact as far as I'm concerned is Nike. They had a good report that came out also, and we saw some good motion on their stock when that happened. So look forward to seeing what's going to be happening tomorrow. Of course, we have our show tomorrow. You go to YouTube, Talk Money with Tom. We do a live show. You can ask questions and what have you from 12:15 to 1 o'clock. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have about things that are happening at that time, and look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much.